at nasa.gov/shuttle.
The stake's open? Okay, I see the other street, but okay, that's staking. I can see the staking, yeah. And you
on the spot is on that. All right. Learn all about it.
No zero. There's no black line. Take a look at this. That isn't even line. Yeah, it's not even a line like that. So Buenos is a line. This is a line. Well, Buenos line is where, with this little handle, it's up. That obviously kind of makes sense. Which is another way to articulate, if you will, is this is zero. That's kind of true, but it's pretty interesting. So, yeah.
The stock guys are listed in the technical page to tell you what ones. Yeah. Or I'll start. I remember. I might switch it.
Hatch, your first hazard here is the gap. The diving board's not there. Make sure you clear that gap right there. Those are the initial hazards. And from there on out, it's buddy system. Forget about any communication system right out that door. If I open it all the way, it's friction enough that it'll stay there. And that's where any of it, who knows what can happen. Just in case you have an extreme event where you actually pour a terrorist way to go there. Harness, cutter knife, and a few other tools in there. The large bag is Travis's, and it's got a lot of
Waiting for your turn to get inside the ship. Remember, Chris Minert was your original OVCC for the first attempt, and we rotate, and I don't blame it for that, but we rotate, so there's no problem, as far as
just take a look back at the other people, and also, if you're the last person in, let me get in.
You have the green bags in there, just like the ones that were in the lodge. Yeah, the two is right on the little red. Right on the little red number up there. 1, 2, and here shines 3.
And then pull back on this. I put it wrong. Pull back on this. And when the RPM's up, it'll come up pretty quick. And as soon as you feel it, and you'll feel something like this. And that's when the door hits the back. And as soon as that happens, when you get to where you're going, you got to take this and snap it back like this to make sure the hooks are out of the door, because
package, elbows in, and then hit the release. And again, when you check over the shoulder, have your hand on the front bar. Here, and another D-ring down here. You're going to have your harness on, you're going to have your air bottles back there, and if you just try and slide out, which is the natural tempo, sliding. No bottles here. Okay. Keep it low. Again, if you hop out, you take off. Well,
So give it a couple of seconds. If it starts alarming, go back to where you retrace your steps, and that's going to be where you.
Available to you. There's also some A-wraps over on the side, so if you came in with them, they have to go outside and do an assistance. These
and they're here in case we have any kind of road call. They can assist with basket unloading. When closeout crew, when the hatches.
now, there is a screw fitting on this, but these days we're tightening it down so it's real hard to unscrew it. You'll have the other equipment. You'll have the spare masks up on the rack, first aid kit. Normally you'll have a parts tray also on the, after you do those preliminaries, after you take care of the accountability. Try and stay planted in one spot.
Mercury 7 astronauts 50th anniversary.